a birdhouse. So you can orient your paper however you like. And we're going to start with an upside down V. This will determine the size of your birdhouse. So however big you want to make the roof, that's the size of your upside down V. Okay, we want it to actually have some thickness, like it is a board on the roof. You can draw a parallel line right beside your first line. And the next thing that we're going to do is add an angle line, comes down, and one that matches on this side. This line is going to be a horizontal line across, and then we want this birdhouse to be for a small songbird. I like to practice in a circle a couple times first. And then we want this to actually have some depth. So we're going to draw part of the inside of the wall of the opening. It's a little small on the side. Add some thickness. And then the roof is going to angle back, or three-dimensional. Line back, another line that follows, and then this line will do the same thing. You've got 1, 2, 3 flanking off. This one is going to be parallel to the front edge. You reach over. This line is going to be parallel to this edge. Okay. We've added some depth. You can go ahead and sort of add a line going back here, maybe a little shadow on this edge, and a post that our bird can perch on. This is going to be a line that comes out underneath. It's a parallel line, and then on the end of it, we're going to add another circle. You want to show a partial circle where it connects with the birdhouse. And just noticing that I didn't really get this line as parallel as I would have liked to, but that's okay. Okay, we do want to continue the thickness of the roof going back here. And this birdhouse is hanging in a tree. So we're going to add a loop. So whatever it's hanging from can connect. And I'm going to show a thick part of a trunk with a branch coming over. And maybe the ground, the ground above or behind, rather, the birdhouse. When you get to the birdhouse, you're going to stop and just imagine it continuing through on the backside. Now we've created a picture that has some depth. The last thing that you may want to do is add a little bird inside of your birdhouse. Okay, everybody has a chance to catch up. This is where you're going to want to personalize. You could have a bird inside, a small head, beak coming off. All right. head peering out. Depending on what kind of bird it is, you can add color. Go ahead and personalize your birdhouse. Decorate the house the way you would like. You can add leaves to your trees, something in the background, mountains, sunset, perhaps some grass or something happening below. But this is your chance to personalize your picture. Have fun.